June 6th, tomorrow.
Now listen, Junior Jones is going to tell you one thing. I want the world to know, and you're the only man, so you'll see, you're the only one that can answer this. You ready?
Yeah.
Who is the best looking boxer in this group right here? Oh, Junior Jones, for sure. Okay. That's not the answer I was looking for.
That's bullshit. It's me.
So, you remember John West? Now, he'll probably see this eventually. Is there anything you want to say to John West from Nashville, Tennessee, 112 pounds, 1988? What do you want to say to John West?
Came close.
Well, he didn't come close.
He fought twice.
But I'm talking about the one in 88.
Oh, the man won.
Yeah, the one that he beat you.
You got that one. You got that one real good. Broke my heart for years. But it's what it happens. I still like to worry about it.
So you still like John West?
John West is good.
What more can we say?
It was business.
It was business.
Never personal.
Never personal. Thank you.